Most Namibians waste most of their time on shallow activities, petty tasks, and recurrent errands. It's a fact that people spend up to 7 hours on their phones daily. And honestly, that's only thanks to the fact that they have 9 to 5 jobs. Time and money are interchangeable, and you losing time every day will eventually, in 30 years, accumulate to a wasted 7.5 years. That's like being in prison for 7 years of your life. You really want that to be you? To add on that long queues, commutes, errands, transportations, kids, events, and just your own peace. Yes, we're like that, wasting time, but the option to remain in that cycle is not justifiable. But on your own, it's definitely a challenge, with all these burdens and systems put in place to work against you. When you lose time, you lose money. Just facts. In this world we live in, it's a journey, and everyone has a goal, each for the best provision of themselves and their families. Well, to reach your goal, you need a map. It's 2025 now, change? Nope. It has been like that for the last decades, and still no change. Why do you think so? Many of us got the solutions and discipline to destroy that weakness which majority have through trial and error. But today, you don't have to waste years searching for the right solution to saving time. What if I told you that you could get all those hours back with the fastest delivery services all to your door, doing all locations in Windhoek, from the Katutura streets to Komestal, Ochimuise, uptowns of Academia Dorado. We cover all Windhoek. Prime military tasks. Namibia is an easy solution for you. With PMT, you not only save time, but also save money with our very affordable prices, ranging from only $50 everything included to $200 for long-distance tasks. We do grocery shopping, laundry delivery, daily errands, drop-offs and pickups, handiwork and queues, all with great speeds. With prime military tasks, Namibia, you save time without the hassle, affordable errands, so you don't have to waste time on them. Ready to save? If we take longer than 1 hour, it's completely free. Yes, longer than an hour, you pay nothing. Book your first errand today. Link in bio.